Hey everyone, welcome back to Guide Central, and today I'm going to show you how to transfer money from Gate.io to Gcash in 2025. Fast, easy, and secure. If you're trading crypto on Gate.io and need to cash out to Gcash, this step-by-step guide is for you. So make sure that you watch until the end so you don't miss any important steps. So let's get started. Open Gate.io and log into your account. Go to your wallet section and click on the withdraw button. So in here, as you can see, you can actually sell your available cryptocurrencies on Gate.io. So you just need to enter the amount of the cryptocurrency along with the cryptocurrency, and you'll be able to view the amount of US dollars that you can receive from this cryptocurrency. So make sure that your cryptocurrency that you want to withdraw is actually sellable in US dollars or other currency available on Gate.io. So make sure that you have set up your debit or credit card on Gate.io, and once you actually have set that up, enter the amount that you want to sell from your available cryptocurrencies, and you'll be able to find the amount of US dollars that you'll be able to receive on your debit or credit card. So once you have finalized that, simply sell that, and from your debit or credit card, just go ahead and move the money to your Gcash. And that is how you can basically transfer money from Gate.io to Gcash in 2025. If you found this video helpful, smash the like button and subscribe for more crypto guides. Comment below if you have any questions.